So I want to replace the battery in this remote for the, this is a 2011 Hyundai Sonata. And the manual here does talk about how to change the battery. But in case you don't have the manual, I'll show you how to do it. You just remove the, push this button in and remove the hard key here. And then you have to pry the case apart. And right in here is where you would apply the prying. This whole back is going to lift off. You'll see. You just put a flat blade screwdriver in there and just kind of gently twist it. And you can see it's separating there. And there we have it. And here's the battery. It's a CR2032. So now you have to pull out the battery. And I'm going to use an X-Acto knife here. Pop that out. And you can see the positive is facing up. And when you look in there, it shows the negative. There's a diagram that shows the negative down. And so I've got a new battery here. I'm going to install that. And the reason I knew there was a message that came up on my in my car that said that this needed to be replaced. And so I'm going to install. Before I do, I'm going to confirm that it's a good battery. And so I've got a voltmeter. I'm going to just check it out and just make sure. Got a voltmeter set for DC. I'm going to look at the old one first. So this is the negative and this is the positive, but it doesn't really matter with a voltmeter like this. It'll just show you a negative. So I've only got 0.015 volts. That's pretty dead. I'll check this one. It should be over 3 volts, maybe 3.2 or something. So we got 3.243. That's a pretty good battery. It's if you got a way to check the battery before you install it, it's a good idea because you just never know. So now I'm going to install the good battery back in there, and I'm confident that it should work now. Now all I have to do is snap the two pieces back together. You can see there's a little spring contactors here. There's one for the bottom for the negative there, and this spring here contacts the top. And seems to be a pretty well made key fob. I'm going to click it back together now. And just insert the key back in it. And the key has, this is the locking mechanism for the key. Hooks on that little latch right there. You can see when it moves down, it would allow that to come out. I like that, pretty good. It's pretty, there's the little ledge right there that it contacts on. And there you have it. That's the replacement of the key fob for the 2011 Hyundai Sonata. Good luck with yours. And so here's the page, page 411. It shows the battery replacement. Of course, it doesn't tell you. Oh, there it is. I see it now. CR2032. Right in there. I didn't notice that the first time I looked. So there you go. Good luck with yours. Take care.